Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and there was some kind of Wi-Fi issue at my place. Now it's sorted, and I didn't have electricity also. Now I'm doing it. It's a reading from 2nd till the 8th of Feb 2026. It's a love reading, journal love reading, love reading. Don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the reading, honey. If it is not resonating, this is not for you. Okay. For Let's start. For this week, your overall energy for Pisces people, Sun, Moon, Venus rising for this week for their love and relationship area. Let's see what we have, my love. We have the Four of Cups, Three of Wands, the Tower. Bottom of the deck is the Chariot. So you guys are upset by the way things are going in your love and relationship area, and you guys are just pushing yourself to keep moving forward, and you guys are waiting for that kind of breakthrough that is going to help you to either move on completely, be happy with what you have, and or be free completely, right? So your overall energy is of waiting for the breakthrough that is going to help you to either get it or forget it. Okay, that's a cool energy. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Pisces. Let's see. The Strength card. So this person is holding back. It's taking them a lot of strength and courage to hold back, but they are feeling like they should hold back this urge or desire to do something in this direction. Let's clarify the strength here. We have the Seven of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Knight of Swords. Wow. They're trying to hide something from you, big, big, big time. And they're feeling like if they are going to hold back, they are not going to tell it to you, you will never be able to get to know about it. Now, it can be actually anything. It can be simple thing of they have feelings for you. It can be a very big thing that they are lying to you about us, like another person, another situation, or something. And they feel like this is the right way that they will be able to get away with this secret or with this whatever they are trying to hide from you, right? They feel like if they're not going to tell you, if they're going to hold back, they are going to get a chance to run away with this secret of theirs, and they never have to tell you this. They never have to reveal it to you. Okay. I don't know what's happening. You okay? Let's see, what do you feel from your side, your feelings for this particular person or situation, Pisces? We have the Three of Pentacles. You guys are feeling like there is a potential here in a situation. There is a sense of collaboration, partnership. This is a pinch of practicality in this collaboration partnership. Okay, let's clarify this Three of Pentacles here. You guys are being extremely practical about it instead of pouring your emotions into this or getting all emotional over this. Let's clarify this. We have the Justice, the Star, the Magician. This person is feeling like with time this situation is going to be fine. Oh sorry, you are feeling like with time this situation is going to be fine. You are going to get the justice in the situation. All you have to do from your side is to remain optimistic and positive and keep on manifesting balance or justice in this collaboration or partnership. Karmic justice, like whatever happened, everything should be revealed to you, everything should be crystal clear to you about this situation. So you are manifesting justice, and they are busy hiding something from you and running away from the situation. You feel like manifesting justice in this collaboration or partnership because you still have a hope that at some point of time maybe this situation is going to work out. If not, at least you are going to be free. Okay, that was in your current energies also, so it makes sense. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them, honey, Pisces? The emperor, their intention here is to keep their emotions in control. They don't want to look like a fool. They don't want to look like their emotions are all over the place. They want to keep their emotions in check. They want to keep their things in control, and they definitely want to look like they're cool and they're doing their own thing and they don't care about it. But the emperor here is like a person who is very experienced, who is trying to portray like a calm and composed energies, but from inside they have a lot going on. Let's see what we have. We have the Five of Swords, Seven of Cups, and the Moon. Yeah, definitely this person is trying to hide something from you, and that hiding something from you is actually making their life kind of hell, and their emotions are all over the place. But they want to hide something from you like a pro, as if nothing is hidden, everything is crystal clear. You know everything about them, they know everything about you, so they want to play it cool as if nothing is happening, but from inside this is like stressing the hell out of them. But they want to play it cool, like as if nothing is hidden, nothing is forbidden, and everything is crystal clear from both the sides. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? King of Wands, from your side, you're just in this energy of doing your own thing, busy doing your own thing, busy doing your own, busy keeping your own energies intact. So you just want to focus on your life, right? As much as you can, creating your own reality, being a badass bitch or something, right? It's like, okay, whatever happened, happened. I can't change it. The universe is going to do justice for me. The universe is going to do everything that's meant for me. Okay, let me handle my own things. And you also want to be in this energy of ego or pride. You can call it self-respect, but somehow your ego is also telling you, ego or mind is same thing, to not to get involved in the situation and not to be vulnerable, not to be all over the place. Seven of Pentacles, Chariot, and the Four of Cups. Okay, you are not in this situation anymore. Actually, you're like you just want to wait and watch for the universe to bring you those kind of energies when you will be completely over a situation that keeps on disappointing you again and again and again, like it's a loop, it's a circle that keeps on happening with you. And now you just want to break this loop and break this circle, and you want to keep moving forward in your life, manifesting your dream life. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the 8th of Feb, Pisces. Knight of Pentacles. Okay, things are going to be very, very slow. You guys are going to feel like nothing is happening, nothing is moving, nothing is changing. Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles here as the potential outcome. We have the Emperor, the Queen of Wands, the Six of Pentacles. Slowly but surely, you guys are going to be in this energy of taking the control of your emotions in your own hands, not to be overly emotional. Overly, you guys are going to be like switching off your emotional mode, taking care of yourself, taking care of how your life should look like, how your energy should look like, trying to balance your internal and external world. Okay, and it is happening, at a very, very slow pace. It's like very slow, very gentle pace, and you're learning how to control your life, how to control your emotions, how to keep things going, how to keep things on track. My hands are looking extremely beautiful today. I don't know what happened. Nothing, I did nothing. It's just my genes. My mom's hands are very beautiful, that's why maybe. Anyway, sorry, out of context. Yep. So you will be busy balancing your internal and external world, busy creating your own realities, and you guys are going to make sure that you got your emotions in control, got your things in control, and slowly but surely you're heading towards a much more peaceful and healthier lifestyle. Okay. So Let's see the guidance for you guys, Pisces, for this week. We have the Eight of Swords, Ace of Wands, Two of Wands. So it's like the more you are going to listen to your mind, the more your mind is going to create stories and scenarios that are actually never going to be true. Your mind is going to give you thousand reasons to not to get out of your comfort zone, to not to start or restart a brand new chapter in any area of your life, especially in your love and relationship area, to keep yourself stuck in the loop always because it is comfortable, it's familiar, and it is actually something that the mind can make sense of. If you are going to wait for the time when you will be able to get out of your head and take the real actions in the real life, you will be always waiting, because this mind trap, you have to break it. It's not going to break itself miraculously by some magic. You guys have to break it by not listening to it, by not repeating the same kind of patterns, mistakes again and again and again. And if you again, if you guys are waiting for the time when you will be able to get out of your head and take some kind of real actions, this is the time. Okay, you guys don't have to wait for the right time. Now is the right time for you guys to stop listening to your mind. I'm sorry, I had some pain, shooting pain in my chest because of acidity. Okay, so now it's now or never, Pisces, because it's a repetitive cycle. It's a loop that you guys keep on repeating again and again and again. And if you guys are not going to break this loop, the blame is on you, not anybody else, not anything else. Okay, my love. So let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry too much about it, okay? Because every answer, everything is not for every person out there, every Pisces out there. I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like to get the answer. Now let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Yes, it's a clear cut yes for you guys. So I don't have to explain it to you guys. Good for me, good for you. Thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.